Want to use Facebook and Messenger without letting everyone know when you're online? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to turn off your active status in both apps so you can browse privately. Let's start with the Messenger app. Open Messenger on your phone. Once it opens, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the menu icon. From there, go to Settings. Inside the Settings menu, find and tap on Active Status. You'll see a toggle that says Show when you're active. Simply turn that toggle off. A confirmation message will appear on your screen. Tap Turn off to confirm. That's it. Your Messenger active status is now hidden, so others won't see when you're online. Now let's do the same in the Facebook app. Open the Facebook app on your phone. At the top corner, tap the three-line menu icon to open the main menu. Next, tap Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. Scroll down until you see the Audience and Visibility section. Here, tap on Active Status. You'll again see the option Show when you're active. Turn the toggle off, then tap Turn off to confirm. And that's it. Your active status is now turned off on both Facebook and Messenger, so you can use the apps without showing when you're online. If this helped you, give it a try and enjoy a little more privacy while browsing. If this tip helped you, like, follow, and subscribe for more easy tech tricks. See you in the next one.